3, 2, 1.
You're watching
TKO Takeover.
We are here to help you with your everyday needs.
If your game voice chat and mic aren't working in Marvel Rivals on PC, start by pressing the Windows key on your keyboard. Right-click the sound icon in the bottom right corner of your screen and select Sound Settings. On this page, scroll down to the Input section to view all the microphones available on your PC. Make sure to select the correct microphone. If your microphone isn't listed, you can pair a new input device or check if using a different port for your microphone or headset resolves the issue. Next, look at the volume indicator under the input settings. If the volume bar moves when you speak, your microphone is working. Once your microphone is set up on your PC, return to the game. In Marvel Rivals, click on the Settings cogwheel in the top right corner, navigate to the Settings menu, and select the Audio tab. Ensure the master volume and in-game voice volume are turned up. Under the voice chat settings, verify that the input device matches the one set on your PC. Set the voice chat mode to either open mic or push to talk, depending on your preference, and make sure the voice chat and mic volumes are turned up. Double-check that voice chat is toggled on, and confirm that your microphone isn't muted on the physical device. Finally, start a game, and check the top left corner of your screen. If your name appears alongside a moving microphone icon, your voice chat is working properly.